How to fix Valorant not opening, not starting, or not even launching. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you specific troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. But the very main thing that you want to have to check out first is make sure that the current internet service that you're having or being connected with right now is stable and has at least a maximum signal bars. Next is before executing a troubleshooting step, you just have to right click on your task manager and then under processes, make sure that the Valorant is not opening from here. Next is go back into your search or in your Windows icon and type in services, open up the gear icon, and then from here, just simply click anywhere inside the box and just hit on the V keys on your keyboard and look for VGC. Right click on that and head into properties and make sure that the startup type is set into automatic and then hit on start, hit on apply, and then hit on OK. Once you've done this, just simply restart your PC and try to relaunch your Valorant once again. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Valorant not opening, starting, or launching.